Hi friends, look at the question. We are given a triangle ABC with an exterior angle ACD. We need to find the value of angle BAC. According to the exterior angle theorem, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. That's why angle ABC plus angle BAC equal to angle ACD. Now look into the figure. Angle ABC is 60 degree, angle BAC is X. What we need to find, angle ACD is 210 degree. Let's put the value in the formula. 60 plus X equal to 210. Now 60 will go this side, then X equal to 210 minus 60. Finally we got the value of X equal to 115.